Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a Tecno Camon 18p. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it, and here we can customize the browser. So choose a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization. You can always switch the privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, click on start browsing and now open any website. As you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.